Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics, where we make data simple, practical, and powerful. So if this is your first time in this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and also click the notification button to receive updates from all the tutorial that we will be posting every week. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you where we can get high quality data for your project. So if you ever struggle to find the right data set for your analytics project and you first stuck before you even started, trust me, you are not alone. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly where and how to find quality data set you can use for practice, for your project, for your portfolio, and also real world project. So again, why do we find or why finding the right data set, why does it matter? See, many aspiring data analysis and data scientists give up, not because they can't analyze data, but because they don't even know where to get good data. So the right data set can make your analysis very easier. Yes, if you have good data, it will make your analysis easier and you will know what you want to do. It will help you to tell a strong data story and also improve your portfolio and job chances. So let's start with how we can get data analysis. So I listed like four places where you can get data set, and this has been a full for me. So I want to show you where you can get this data easily and they are for free. So number one place is the platform public data set platform. So and it can be it's either Kaggle, and that is a very popular place to get your data set, and there are free data set there that you can use to build your portfolio website. You can use this to build real world data real world uh, projects. You can also search Google data set. You can also search Google data. So Kaggle has thousands of data sets across finances, healthcare, sales, marketing, sports, and more. You can download data set and even see how others analyze them for inspiration. And the second one on this or public data set platform is Google's data search. I just want you to think of this as Google, but for data. So just you can type what you are looking for, like it might be sales or data you want to analyze, any health, maybe COVID data or customer churn, might be customer or marketing or anything, social media. You will find data sets from trusted sources in Kaggle. And the number two place is government and open data. So government data is usually clean, reliable, and great for real world analysis. So it can be either data.government, which is US, data.government UK, or you can do World Bank open data, or WHO, that's World Health Organization open data. You can get your data freely from it and clean data from it. Trust me, you can do that. And the number three is the company and industry data. So some company publish anonymized data for learning and also for researching. So it can be like Amazon public data set, Meta and Google search data set, financial and economic data set, and also from data set from IMF and World Bank. So these are also company where you can get your data set. So this data set can help you help your portfolio look more industry relevant. Yes, it should make it more very relevant, industry relevant, very important. So the fourth place is you can also create your data set. You can use survey with, maybe you have something in mind. You have something that you picture something that you want to, you have the picture of what you want to analyze. All you need to do is just to put it in survey. It's just to put it in different survey so that you can be able to analyze them. You can be able to analyze this data. So you can use survey with Google form, you can scrape publicly available website, you can use company reports or CSV export. And one thing I want you to also understand, you can also use ChatGPT to also get your own data from. Just put the prompts. So I'm going to be doing a video now. You can use ChatGPT to get data set for your analysis. I will do that. I'm going to do a video. I'm going to send you prompt, different prompts that you can do that to get your own data set. And the last thing I want you to understand here is recruiter loved this because it shows initiative and problem solving, and that is your own, like why creating your own data set. So here now also, how do you choose the right data set? Before you download any data, ask yourself, what question am I trying to answer? What problem am I trying to solve? Is the data set large enough but not overwhelming? Does it need cleaning? This actually is a plus too. Good projects are about insight, not just big data. So is about insight, not just maybe large or volume of data, but it's about insight. So now that you know exactly where to find high quality data set and how to choose the right one for your analysis project, if this video it is the right time for you now to go and check those sites or create your own data set to build your own project. So if this video helped you, like, subscribe, share, and share with someone that is starting their data journey, and also drop comment below and tell me which data set platform you will try for. So I will see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing with everything data analytics. Bye.